we're gonna go over how I ship my Funko Pops. This is going to be the Teen Titans 580. This was bought for I think $5.99 best offer. I was just trying to honestly just try to get rid of this as I'm trying to get more space to my office at the moment. You can tell a little bit in the background, some items back there. Eventually that will be replaced with shelves, but I have this bubble wrap. I'll do like put this right here. After I get out of my inventory, I put it like this. I sit this to the side. Now I have a box, 8x6x4 box that I use for shipping Funko Pops when it's just one. For two, I use a 11x8x5 box. This box I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description on where exactly I got this from. The Funko Pop protector was also from Amazon. It was a EcoTek. I also put a description in for where I got the protector for the Funko Pop. I will let you know that it is better to sell with the Funko Pop protector because you can charge like $2 more per item that you put in the store because it has protector. So first thing I do, I have my eBay tape because I'm selling on eBay. If I was selling on mercari, I would use just plain tape. I'm not sure if it even matters if you use eBay tape for mercari, but I'm kind of trying to get away from mercari like completely. I only use mercari because my eBay store was below standards. But as of today, which I'm making this video March 22nd, 2022, I am now a top rated seller. So I feel excited, getting more listing impressions, and I'm getting more sales, of course. And I've tripled my sales what I had just 3 months ago. So it feels good right now. So first, put this in the front. I'm not a professional, box, person, whatever you want to call them. But I put that in the middle. Now, some people only put this one in the middle. I also cover the end just to make it more safe. In case anything, this little part maybe comes loose a little bit. At least have these sides. Kind of cover that. And just like, just put that like that. Easy day. Now the next thing I do, I print these off. Try to cover it. So I print this off, and this is from eBay. It's an invoice that I always print off. Eventually, I'm gonna have my own cards, where I will have my QR code for my store, and then have the link if you just want to go straight to the link, which is built for travel. I have a message down here. I don't know if you can see the message, but the message says, "Thank you for your purchase. Please leave feedback when you get a chance." And that's just a custom message that I put. That's automatically already put in there when I print off the invoice for where it's actually a package slip. If you ever go to package slip before you purchase a shipping label on eBay, I always put the message there. I also put this is a gift. I customize it to this is a gift, and then that way my information is not on the actual invoice, but of course then it would be on the box. This usually doesn't really matter if you have a PO box. I'm currently still building my store. Eventually I will have a PO box and not my actual address, so that way they won't send everything straight to me and have my address. I haven't seen any problems at the moment, but People are crazy these days, so I'm eventually gonna have a PO box. So I take this and I fold this, not fold it, but I cut it to the bottom of the message. As you can see, cut it down to here. I use this extra paper for when I'm sending like bulk items, and I just throw this in there and use it as, you know, little bubble, like the little popcorn bubbles will foam. And you see where it says package slip, I flip that over, so once they take out their item, the message paper will be at the bottom. Thank you for your purchase. Please leave feedback when you get a chance. You can customize it how you want it for your packing slip. Move that over a little bit. Now you get the Funko Pop. I push them in both sides, and then if you can see, like that, and then the other side. And then I just move these over, put those in there, nice and neat, easy. Close this, and then close that. Now, with these boxes, it does come, usually have this little piece, you just take that off. And then with more tape. As I said, I'm not a professional. And that. Now we're going to go right here and do the same thing this side. See how easy that is. Alright. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to print out the purchasing label. Now you're going to take I have a thermal printer, so I have a thermal printer with any like gaps or anything. Put that right there. And for extra, what I always add, just for extra, I always have these thank you. So I just put a thank you list, and that's it. That's all I do to ship out. Is doesn't move, doesn't shake. If they ever to like drop it or anything, it's very secure and everything. So I want to thank you guys for watching another video. That is how I ship my Funko Pops. You can ship whatever you like. And if you like the video, please like the video. Please also you can subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you can get more these type of videos in the future. All right, thank you guys. Peace.